You think you know your phone? Think again. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, chances are you're only using a fraction of its true power. Hidden inside your device are secret features that can save you time, protect your privacy, and even make your daily life way easier. In this video, I'm going to reveal the hidden tools, shortcuts, and tricks that smartphone manufacturers don't advertise. But once you know them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's dive in. Section 1. Hidden iPhone features. 1. Back tap gesture. Did you know your iPhone can recognize taps on the back of the phone? With back tap, you can double or triple tap to trigger almost anything, like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, or even launching an app. You have complete control over what each tap does. For example, a double tap can launch Spotlight search while a triple tap takes a screenshot. You can even use it to answer or reject calls. To enable back tap, head over to Settings, Accessibility, touch back tap, and then select either double tap or triple tap. Once enabled, you'll see a preview of the actions you can assign and the area where the taps will be detected. There are also options to change the strength of the tap and customize based on whether you're holding your phone sideways or upright. 2. Measure tool. Your iPhone is secretly a tape measure. Open the Measure app, point your camera at a starting point, drag along an object to get its length or width, and you'll see the calculated result right away. For curved objects, you can use the Measure app's special tools to get accurate readings. This app uses augmented reality, AR, which lets your phone blend digital measurements onto the real world around you. Here's a pro tip. Use the Measure app to quickly check furniture dimensions before buying something new online. No more surprises when it arrives at your door. 3. Hidden document scanner. Inside the Notes app, click the camera icon and tap Scan Document. Then just point your iPhone at a document and it will automatically capture an image and convert it into a neatly formatted text. The quality is surprisingly good. This feature is built into the Notes app on all iPhones, so next time you need to send a quick document photo, skip the extra step of using a third-party scanner app. 4. Hidden trackpad. Typing long emails or text? Press and hold the spacebar and your keyboard magically becomes a trackpad. Move your finger across the keyboard to highlight text and adjust the cursor position precisely. It's amazing how many iPhone users don't know about this little-known hack. 5. Secret codes. On your iPhone, you can dial certain codes to access hidden menus and features. For example, dialing 3001 12345 sha, pound 3001, pound 12345 pound, opens field test mode. This allows you to see more detailed information about your cellular network connection. But remember, some carriers may block these codes. Section 2. Hidden Android features. 1. Smart lock. Tired of having to unlock your phone with a password pattern or fingerprint every time? Smart lock makes it so your phone stays unlocked when it recognizes you in a trusted location like your home or work, or when you're connected to your smartwatch through Bluetooth. To set up Smart Lock, head to Settings, Security, Smart Lock. You can enable your face to unlock your phone, which is great for when you're on the go, and you can add multiple trusted devices to keep your phone unlocked when they're nearby. 2. Screen pinning. Want to give someone else your phone for a moment but worried they might snoop around? Use screen pinning. When screen pinning is enabled, the chosen app will always stay on the screen and cannot be exited unless you put in your password or PIN. It's perfect for when you want to hand your phone to someone else for a game or app without worrying about them changing settings or seeing personal stuff. To pin a screen, go to Settings Security App and Screen Pinning, and choose which app you want to pin. 3. Live Transcribe. Buried deep within Android's accessibility settings, Live Transcribe is a game changer. It instantly converts spoken words to text right on your screen. You can use it to transcribe notes, meetings, or lectures, and it works offline. So it's perfect for those times when you can't rely on an internet connection. To access Live Transcribe, navigate to Settings, Accessibility. Hearing, live transcribe. 4. Developer options. To access developer options, tap the Build Numbers setting in About Phone 7 times. This unlocks hidden controls to customize your Android experience. For example, you can speed up animations, force dark mode system-wide, or even see detailed stats like frame rates and CPU usage. There are hundreds of options, so be sure to read up on what each one does before enabling it. 5. Split screen mode. Many modern Android phones support running 2 apps simultaneously. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and select Open in Split Screen. Now you can watch YouTube on top and read comments below or check messages while listening to music. It's a productivity game changer. Section 3. Hidden features on both iPhone and Android. 1. Emergency SOS. Press the power button 5 times on your iPhone or 3 times on most Androids. This triggers emergency SOS, which instantly calls local emergency services and sends your location and situation to your emergency contacts. This is a must-know hidden feature that could save your life someday. 2. Offline maps. Both Apple Maps and Google Maps let you download offline maps so you can use them without internet access. Perfect when traveling abroad or in remote areas with no signal. To do this on Google Maps, click the hamburger menu, tap Offline Maps, then download New Map. On Apple Maps, click your profile, tap Offline Maps, and select Download New Map. 3. Built-in QR code scanner. No need to download a separate QR code app. On iPhone, just open the camera. On Android, Google Lens is built right in. Simply point your phone at a QR code, and it will instantly scan and take you to the website or app without manual entry. 4. Wi-Fi sharing. Both iOS and Android allow you to easily share your Wi-Fi network with friends via QR code or a share password pop-up. No more fumbling to type out long, messy passwords. Your friends just scan the code or request the password and they're in. 5. Hidden magnifier. Your phone can act as a digital magnifying glass. On iPhone, it's in accessibility settings under display and text size. On Android, enable magnification gestures and triple tap anywhere on your screen to zoom in on any text or image. And now that you've seen some of the amazing hidden features packed into your smartphone, I bet you're wondering why they're not more upfront. Well, it's because companies do not want you to miss out on their cool paid features or services that are similar to what these hacks can do. That's why it's important to know these tricks so you don't fall for unnecessary upgrades. After all, your phone already does so much. Let me show you some pro hacks that unlock even more potential. Section 4. Pro hacks most people don't use. Wi-Fi calling. Calls over Wi-Fi are crystal clear and don't burn your precious mobile data plan. Just go to Settings, Phone, Wi-Fi calling. Battery optimization. Both iPhone and Android let you limit charging to 80% or optimize battery health for long-term performance. This is great for slowing down battery aging. Hidden accessibility features. Options like color filters, voice control, and gesture navigation aren't just for accessibility. They can supercharge productivity and make your phone more comfortable to use. App timers. Limit distracting apps to under 30 minutes per day. For example, if you want to reduce screen time on Instagram, set a timer for 30 minutes and it will lock the app after that. Focus mode. Similar to app timers, this feature lets you schedule focus modes that limit distracting apps and silence notifications. Your smartphone is way more powerful than you think. From secret codes to hidden productivity tricks, the features are there. It's just a matter of unlocking them. So now the question is, which of these hidden features blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you discovered something new today, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Byte for more weekly tech secrets that make your gadgets 10x smarter. Thanks for watching.